Hello, hi again. Uh, it's me. Today we're going to learn on how to use user form without using it in Visual Basic Application or VBA. Usually we use user form when we use VBA, but actually Excel has a built-in feature that will allow us to use user form to input data to use it for entering data without uh, using VBA. First, we're going to uh, create a table with this data. Click on Insert and Table. Uh, uh, Click on My Data has header because we have headers in our data. Click OK. Then you have yourself a data. You can also choose the design color for in the built-in. You can also create your own style, but for now we'll stick to the default, the blue one. Okay, we have employee name, department, and take home pay. Okay, now first the form we must input it before, just like this. Choose form, and we have to edit. But before we have to create a new group, I want to put it in below the data because we have to add a custom group first, new group first, because it won't add on the default ribbon and group. Let's just like that, new group. Okay, data and click OK. Uh, Oops, sorry, we forgot to add the form. Okay, now we want to create new group first. Rename it to data entry form. You can name it as anything you want, but for this example, we want to name it as data entry form. Okay, add it on that group form. Click OK. Now we have under the data group data entry and this form. Click on this. Will give error because we have to put our cells into the data. Okay, this is the user form. You can add data right here. Let's say this take home 1070 and enter. One more data. Chris Dalton, apartment IT, take home pay around 1600. Enter and the data will appear in our table. We can also search the input data, employee name, and click Find Next and previous. The data that including Chris in employee name will appear in the form. Okay, there are more things you could do with uh, this built-in form by uh, Excel. Remember, you can't show this form when the active cell is outside the table. So you have to put active cell inside the table. As you can see, you can also edit the data using the form also. You can also use data validation as input data. We use department here. We use the source as human resource, finance, and IT. I'll show you how it works. Okay, now we're going to click on form, new, employee name, X, maybe direct. Okay, no, James Garner, maybe department production. As you can see, production is not on our previous list. Let's say put enter now. The data is the production input, but they see error here. When we retry, no data here, and IT. Sorry, I forgot to put the name. Okay, James Garner. Enter. Okay, so you can use anything you want in data validation, and it will be useful. Nah, you can also restore when you already edit the data, but you make mistake, but you can restore it just like that. One thing you can do, okay. Another thing you can do is to search within the data with other means, just like this criteria. Click on criteria whenever you want to search the data. Click on criteria. I say we want to search the data that has take home pay below $1,800. That should be two data, Chris Burns and Chris Dalton. Okay, now you can see it works. Okay, remember, if you want to find data, click on criteria, and when you want to go back to input or data entry style, data entry mode, you have to click on the form. Chris Martin, you want to okay. If you want to input the new data, don't forget to click on new button right here. New record. Don't forget, because if you doesn't click the new data, you will only uh, modify the existing data. Jim is in human resource, I think. The homepage 2000, just like that. It's quite easy, actually. Quite easy, right? So I think this is for now. Uh, until next time, until next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.